This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by Shana Clarke. Spacious Cape Cod style home brimming with potential. Located right in the heart of Norfolk. Close to shopping, beach, and interstate. This home just needs some tender loving care, has a desirable floor plan, great bones, and maximum potential. Backyard overlooks a beautifully shaded creek, perfect for sipping your morning coffee. This home has an attached mother-in-law suite with a kitchen. Great opportunity for first-time home buyers and investors. Schedule your showing today. This one won't last long. For more information, review the details below or contact Shana Clarke at 757-737-6113.